I am Catherine, born of noble lineage in Alexandria, Egypt during the 3rd century. Gifted with wisdom and learning, I boldly confronted Emperor Maxentius, challenging him to abandon idolatry. 50 philosophers were summoned to debate me, yet through the Spirit, my words converted them to Christ. For this I was scourged and condemned. The emperor proposed marriage if I would deny my faith, but I refused, choosing Christ as my true spouse. Enraged, he condemned me to death on a spiked wheel, which broke at my touch. Finally, I was beheaded, offering my life for the gospel. Angels, it is said, bore my body to Mount Sinai, where a monastery still bears my name. To you I say, do not be afraid to defend the truth even before the mighty. Wisdom and courage are gifts of God, given to those who seek Him with all their heart.